halfway here and we had one gobble. Sound like he's about 150 yards from us around the Mills open field, so. Goodness. I don't want to call at him because I don't want him coming yet. I'd like to know where he's at. Alright, I'm just going to call at him. You only live once, brother.
That's right.
That ain't him, is it?
There's no way. I don't see him a little closer.
Them sound like they're probably just in there spinning.
Probably.
It's here because
Yeah, we gotta
you
move.
can hear the thunder roll under. Claims it ain't gonna rain, but I beg to differ.
Why wouldn't it?
We're done talking, guys. We're gonna make a move.